Hello listeners, and welcome to the first program in our series, Let Us Learn, Design and Technology, which is produced for grade 8 learners and anybody else who has an interest in the subject. My name is Nodi Iyambo. Today we are going to learn about the design and technology concepts. And don't forget to take part in the quiz at the end of the program. Please have a pen and a notebook ready so that you can make notes of the key points. Most of the things we see around us are designed to solve a problem. Isn't that so? I hope today's program will shed light on the risks involved in designing a product. At the end of this program, you should be able to describe the concepts, design, technology, describe the link between design and technology, explain and describe the negative and positive environmental and social impacts of design and technology.
Hey, hello, how you doing?
I'm okay, Silas. How are you?
Great. Is design related to technology?
I think so. You cannot design without technology. May our teacher please explain to us?
Good morning, class. Iyalo and Silas, please sit down. What is the matter with you?
Sir, we were trying to find a link between design and technology. Actually, sir, we want to know what technology is.
Ah, yes. There is a link between design and technology. In grade 7, we learned about design. Design is all about your ideas and plans on paper. Design is an important thing because everything we see around us originated initially from design. For example, cell phones. Can somebody please tell us what technology is?
Yes, sir. It is the development of ideas and how such ideas are realized through application of skills to make a product. You already know that design is a plan on paper. So technology is the machinery and tools used to make your plan work.
Oh, okay. So first we plan our ideas on paper and then we use technology to make them real. I get it now. But what is the link?
The link is as follows. Design and technology. It's a process as well as a product. It's about solving problems, satisfies human wants or needs, involves human skill and invention. Do you think technology is good?
Yes, sir. Sometimes, although I am disappointed by Chinese products. Yesterday I went to buy a chair for my sister from a Chinese shop and it just broke the moment she sat on it. I was so angry because it was very expensive.
Every design product has its advantages and disadvantages.
I know sometimes advantages that are involved in design, but I would like to know more about disadvantages or the risks involved in the design of a product. Let us get more information from the design and technology teacher.
Okay.
Yes, Silas. Go ahead and ask your question.
Sir, we discussed something related to this topic. It came from a fact that I was very disappointed when my sister's new chair, which was just bought, broke when she sat on it.
I told him that every design product has its advantages and disadvantages involved, sir.
Thank you very much for your participation, Iyalo and Silas. Now, class, state the advantages and disadvantages of technology on the following products. Advantages of technology on television, COVID-19 tester, aeroplanes. Disadvantages of technology on television, COVID-19 tester, aeroplanes.
Advantages of technology on television, we get updated on what is going on in the world. And the disadvantages of television is being close to the TV screen damages your eyes. Kids get exposed to bad things such as killing in movies. Advantages of COVID-19 tester, it can detect whether you have the virus or not. And the disadvantage would be that it's very expensive. And the advantage of aeroplanes is that travels become faster, easier, and more comfortable. And the disadvantage would be the accidents, which include deaths and injury, and causes air pollution.
Sir, what can I do to prevent my eyes from being damaged when I watch television?
Very good question, Silas. You just have to keep a distance between you and the television and limit watching TV all the time. Can somebody please list the negative and positive environmental impacts of design and technology?
Yes, sir. Negative impacts are pollution and deforestation, which can cause soil erosion. The positive impacts are better farming by using machines to harvest, sow, and water your garden, improved communication among people, and efficient use of resources.
Excellent, Silas. What did we learn today, Yalo?
We learned the concept of design and technology, the link between design and technology, advantages and disadvantages of design and technology, as well as positive and negative environmental impact on design and technology.
And that brings us to the end of today's program. But before we say goodbye, here is your question for the day. Choose the correct one. Which one of the following is the positive impact of technology? A. Desertification. B. Destruction of ozone layer. C. Improved communication. D. Increase in human population. This program was written by Mrs. Naomi T. Koskenkangas. So until next time, take care and wear your mask.
This program was brought to you by NAMCOL with funding from the Ministry of Education, Arts and Culture and the Commonwealth of Learning.